Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video is another product review guys, but before anything else I just want to flex my top guys. And I know someone who loves this kind of color, and it's Lucy Pagalan. And I bought this one guys after I bought this kind of top guys, this kind of color after watching her eating violet products in her YouTube channel guys. So if you haven't watched it, and if you haven't subscribed to Lucy Pagalan guys, so please subscribe to her channel. And the video we uploaded, I mean about the eating violet products guys. It was so cute, like really guys. So please check it out guys. The violet, it was really cute. But yeah, so let's go on to my product review. And the product that I'm going to review guys is this one. It is from Beaute Pacifique, and it is Superfruit Hydrating Face Mist. And I've been using this one guys for 2 weeks now because I've run out of my facial mist. I've used the recent one, the SK2 Midway, and I've used that one and I ran out. So I decided to look for a new facial mist. So yeah, so I found this one, and I haven't recorded the day one guys, I'm sorry. But yeah, I will still show you some videos where when I use this one. This is kind of good guys. This is kind of good because I only put this before going to work, like in the morning. I only put this one. I don't have to retouch it because my skin, my face is so moisture, like really guys, it lasted so long. I mean, I put it in the morning, and then when I come home it's still so moisture that I don't have to retouch it. But it's up to you guys if you want to retouch it, because well, for me, I don't need to retouch. I don't need to put it again, because this one is long lasting compared to the other to my other facial mist, because I've used 3 types now guys. So my other facial mist, I need to retouch it every now and then because it's not so long lasting. It only lasted like 2-3 hours. This one I could feel like it lasted like maybe more than 8 hours, or yeah, at most 8 hours, because yeah, when I come home here, I could still feel the moisture, and I don't really need to put it at night also. So the first time I put it guys, I forgot that I spread it in my eyes, and usually I think here, I think when I sprayed it, it got into my eyelashes. Later of the day, I could feel like it's kind of itchy. I forgot that I have it in my eyelashes, because maybe when I sprayed it the first time, like I think I forgot because I closed it like this, and then I sprayed it here, and then I totally forgot, and then suddenly I scratched my eyes, and then during the day I scratched my eyes, and then it's kind of painful guys. It's kind of painful when it goes into your eyes. But there's a direction guys, that with eyes closed, spray on the entire face and neck. But yeah, I was closing my eyes. It landed to my eyelashes. So I think it's best. I think for me, I'm just going to spray. I think it's best to just spray it here or here, guys. Not maybe don't spray it in your here. From here to here, don't spray it only here, guys, because like me, when I spread it here all over my face, it landed in my eyelashes, and then when I scratch my eyes, it goes in, and it's the feeling is not nice. Yeah, so I advise that you spray it only here, guys. And then if you want your forehead to be moisturized, you can just top it and then put it. I'm going to show you now how do I put it, avoiding my eyes, guys. So I don't know if you can see it, guys. So this is the bottle. I will just hold a bit, and then I make sure it will be landed here, guys. Not here. So I'm going to close my eyes. So it's kind of hard when it's closed. So I'm going to close my eyes, guys, and then maybe here. Oh, it takes long. So now, shucks. No, so it still goes into my eyelids, guys. So I'll just do it like this, and then also tap here. And as you can see, shucks, it goes into my eyelids. Maybe I need to get it off first, because it will be painful for me later. Okay, so this is my face, guys. But yeah, I mean, this is just something that I need to tell you, because I usually get breakout, guys. Here and then here, I have my breakout right now. It's not because of the product that I'm using, guys. It's just mostly I will have my visitors soon, so that's why I'm having a breakout. Or it could be that it's just breaking out time now. But yeah, so this is my face minus the breakout, of course. This is my face after putting the facial mist. So yeah, so it's hydrated now, and it will last until tonight, guys. I can guarantee you that it will last until tonight. And yeah, so guys, this is an update for me during the day. It was so cold outside, and it's -degrees, and as you can see, my mouth here is steaming because of the coldness. And yeah, so in this time I haven't retouched anything. I have the facial mist for 7 hours now here, and as you can see, my skin is still so hydrated. Yeah, so let me know in the comment section, guys, if you have tried this one. It's from Beauty Pacifique, and it is very nice, guys. I highly recommend this one. And also, this is just another disclaimer. I'm not sponsored of this product, guys, and I'm just doing my own product review, guys, in my channel. So yeah, so let me know down in the comment section below, guys, if you have tried this product, and let me hear your thoughts about this one. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell so you'll get updated every time I have a new upload. So have a great day, everyone. Meow meow. Bye.